New tonight, a medical breakthrough, and it's happening right here in Florida.
Yeah, we're talking about a new drug that may revolutionize the way doctors treat concussions and brain injuries. News 6 Morning anchor Kirsten O'Connor talks to the doctor who is working to get results.
Football. For many kids in high school, junior high, middle school, and even younger, it's a way of life. For parents, however, there's a constant worry about injury, especially a concussion.
It's very, very important to recognize it early and keep the players safe and keep them from re-injuring themselves.
Dr. Linda Papa is the director of clinical research at Orlando Regional Medical Center.
Some people say you have to lose consciousness. You don't have to lose consciousness to have a concussion. You just have to feel dazed or feel like something is not quite right, confused.
According to the Centers for Disease Control, Americans are treated for almost 3 million traumatic brain injuries, or TBIs, each year. Of these mild traumatic brain injuries, what most people know as a concussion are the most common, which brings us to Dr. Jake Van Landingham. His company is called Prevacus, and its new drug is the first of its kind in treating concussions.
This is an opportunity to try to solve the problem at multiple levels. So the drug works through what's called gene amplification. It easily goes through the nose up into the brain. It's there within 5 minutes, and it stimulates different components of your DNA.
A concussion occurs when the brain swells after hard contact with the inside of the skull. The result, a host of temporary or sometimes long-term problems, including headaches, disorientation, and even light sensitivity. According to Dr. Van Landingham, Prevacol reduces the swelling of the brain, in essence, diminishing the trauma. And because it's a nasal spray,
so you're pushing more of the drug into the brain by giving it nasally.
Repetitive head trauma chokes the brain.
In 2015, the movie Concussion, starring Will Smith, chronicled the discovery by a young Nigerian doctor that repetitive concussions can lead to CTE, chronic traumatic encephalopathy, a progressively degenerate disease that leads to memory loss, depression, and progressive dementia. And just last summer, results from a 3-year study found that 110 of 111 deceased NFL players' brains donated for scientific research showed signs of CTE. The hope is that by treating even mild concussions, more instances of CTE can be avoided.
I think, the more research we have, the better it is, because through research we find new treatments.
Kirsten O'Connor, News 6.
Very interesting. Prevacol should start its human clinical trials this summer. It could be on the market in 3 to 4 years.
Fascinating.
It is. And just in tonight, a new study says concussions do not lead to CTE.
Researchers at Boston University now say it's caused by repeated head trauma. That means with or without a concussion. The study concludes concussions really have no relation with the disease.